how are you?
And
Hi.
some people from the community center might know Catherine. Catherine is going to help us learn how to make a lantern today out of
Yeah.
the red envelopes. What for you? What do you love about making crafts like this?
Oh, it's so interesting because when you use the like recycle and the red envelope, and then finally it come out so many different kinds of arts. I don't mean art or craft, and then make you feel so happy. Hey,
I feel
you don't want to waste the used envelope, the red envelope, and then just use that one and then to create something you want, and then you can change your mind, change your brand, and then you can make out something interesting.
yeah.
Okay, now we are going to make the second lanterns. The
What
second
supplies?
lanterns,
What supplies do we need for the second lantern?
we need 10 small or big or small, doesn't matter, just 10 envelopes.
Okay.
Yeah, 10. And then this thing we need to fold it. We need to fold it. Okay, like this. That's the front part. That's the back. You can see any other colors on the back, and then the front. We just want to the front like appears like this. So we try to use the front part to make it. So we fold envelope in half. Just make a line, make a center line.
Mm-hmm.
And then the top one, we fold down the top one like this. Fold a triangle, like the triangle, small triangle in two sides of the top of the envelope.
Oh, okay.
And in here, we fold it the backward, the two backward.
Aha. Different direction.
Yeah, that's to make it different way to make it, and then you have different like result.
Okay, I'm following along with you.
Yeah, like this, and then you just make 10 exactly like this.
How did you learn to make all of these, Catherine?
I just look at, sometimes the people make it and hang it on the like the store or in Chinatown or something. I just look at it and then go home and then think about it.
Oh, so you
And
can figure out how to make it just from looking at somebody else's hair.
yeah, but now it's more convenience that you can look at the YouTube. They have lots of different kinds of this folding. And then after you make 10, so we have the front part is 5 and the back is 5. So we will staple the 5 together. Okay, now after you fold everything, now we will staple all together uh, like this. The first we use the top one first. The top one, like two triangles, make these two triangles together. And then just staple one in here, like
So
this.
that's at the top of the envelope.
The top, yeah. Two, one, just right in here, and then one in here. And on the line, you just, the line you fold, just right on the line you fold.
You're
And
stapling right on the fold.
yeah, the fold line. And continue to staple these 5 together. Like, okay. Okay, now it's 3. I need 2 more. And then now we connect the last one together.
And you want to be really precise here, right? Because everything that you do
like
is going to translate like
this. So 5 envelopes together.
Nice.
And then after you staple all 5 together, now you can do the same thing on the other 5 together.
Okay.
And you can leave it like this, or you can continue to make some pattern like this. And how to make this? Just use this top one and then fold it like this and then staple. Now, after you make this 2, now we will staple these 2 together.
Okay.
Like this. The corner like this. And you see? Put it together like this.
Yeah.
Yeah. The
So
point,
that's the top
the point
5
is,
bottom,
yeah.
the 2,
And then connect the other 5. Yeah, just staple like 1. And then on the other side, the same. Staple it. And then you have this point together. And then continue the next one like this. Yeah, just connect all 5 together. You can use double side tape. That should be okay too.
Yeah, and what I realized is, you could also use a needle and thread. Like if you don't have a stapler or something.
Yeah,
Somebody could probably
right.
stitch.
Or you maybe glue should be okay too, but not so. Yeah, you have to hold it for quite a little bit, and then continue all 5 together. And if not, you can use masking tape should be okay too. Just fold your masking tape like this.
A little roll.
Yeah, and then just put it
got.
underneath and like this. It's working too. Yeah, like this. And then after you finish that 5 connection, and then you can make a hole and then put a string on top like this, and then you can hang it.
Beautiful. Are you going to be making some more of these lanterns before New Year?
Yeah, and yeah, next week we will make one of this.
Oh, cool.
Yeah, this one use 4 envelopes.
Yeah,
and then sometimes in the bank they have some free envelope to give out, and then you can yeah, and then you can take it. Yeah.
And if you don't have any envelopes, then just you can cut up.
Use a paper. Paper should be okay. Yeah.
Whatever you've got, you can use it. Okay, well, Katherine, thank you so much for sharing.
Yeah, thank you so much for having me.